back to my channel. It's me, KristinCena. I will be giving you review and insight about beauty and fashion products. Please subscribe if you haven't already. Batiste has been in the market for over 30 years already, and it has been widely available. Batiste has a huge range of products, from their most popular fragrance range to a hint of color. Some of the fragrances are cherry, tropical, and sweetie. They also have a more specialized range, which are pop-up volume, nourish, and enrich. You can purchase these from your local drugstore, supermarket, or online. They are typically priced around $10 to $16 for your normal sized cans. My first time to use Batiste Dry Shampoo was a couple months ago when I saw it on YouTube. So I use Batiste Dry Shampoo 2 to 3 times a week whenever I don't feel like washing my hair, or sometimes even though I wash my hair, I feel like I want to spray it on just to add volume and give life into my hair. I do have here 3 bottles of Batiste Dry Shampoo. I have here their Glosscar Awardee shampoo, the Eden one, delicate and sweet. It smells like a honeysuckle. I have been using this for over weeks now and I am in love with the smell. And I do also have the Divine Dark with a hint of color. These bottles are in 200 ml. The largest size they have is 400 ml. And I have also the travel size Batiste Original Clean and Classic. So I have the travel size one. I bought this from Changi Airport. I decided to buy this because I cannot get a shower. I mean, I can, but it's just too expensive. It's $25 for a shower only. So I bought this and freshened up myself. And now I'm gonna show you guys on how to use the dry shampoo. I divided my hair into 2 sections, one for Eden and the other side for Divine Dark. I gave it a little bit of shake just to mix the shampoo up. As you can see, I held the can a few inches away from my head. I make smaller sections to even the coverage. Don't worry about the white powder as it will just disappear once you massage your head. On the other side of my hair. As you can see, the Divine Dark has a hint of color that blended in naturally into my dark hair. They also have other options if you have blonde or brunette hair. 2 sections at the back of my head. Give your hair a good massage and you want to make sure that the dry shampoo is evenly distributed. Just a heads up guys, the hint of color range does stay in your hands. And then finally, brush your hair to remove excess oil and grease. But if you want added volume, you can just brush your hair with your fingers. So for a couple of months of using Batiste Dry Shampoo, one thing is for sure, I am in love with the smell. I am so glad that they have wide range of fragrances. There are so many to choose from. And it really does what it claims to be. It really adds volume. It just makes your hair feel refreshed throughout the day. That completes this video guys. I do hope you enjoyed watching the video. And do comment down below your thoughts about Batiste. What are your favorite dry shampoos and what are the dry shampoos that you can recommend to me. So see you. Bye.